Hello, hello. Welcome to Idea the Unforgettable Tour Diaries. मैं हूँ शनाज and it is day 25. आज हम न्यूयॉर्क में हैं और हम शो की तैयारी कर रहे हैं. स्टार्स और मीडिया दोनों में एक्साइटमेंट की कोई कमी नहीं है. तो चलिए मिलते हैं इनसे.
We have done this dance before together on the set, so we kind of had a move all worked out. I think we didn't get to rehearse together from the word go when we, your concept was done, but we did rehearse together once the whole unit came here and we started working, and so it was great. We love dancing so much, and we just naturally have retained so much from what we've done on the film that when we kind of came together, actually we just had this wave before the show when we rehearsed and it was just there, it just floated together and it happened. I have grown up learning dance. I was 3.5 when I first learned my first step. So for me, dancing is a part of me and I can never forget it. I do intend to do something about it. I would love to have a school, maybe a dance school one day where I can teach other people, other kids, just share the art that I have with them. My own sense of parents, my mother-in-law, my mom, my father-in-law, they've all juggled around, my kids are here or they're there, they're with my sister-in-law, and so they're very proud of me and they encourage me in whatever I do. They always stand behind me, and that's why it's possible for me to do what I do. Otherwise, it would not have been possible without them. My husband has always stood by me, and it was great to perform in LA because that's the first time my son, one is 3 and one is 5, they both saw me on the stage for the first time. They were very proud of me, I think, because they. I've made some more fans.
काफी एक्साइटमेंट है पर थोड़ी सी मायूसी भी क्योंकि माधुरी दीक्षित का इस टूर में ये आखिरी शो है. Her commitments at home are not allowing her to go further. She's not only a great superstar actress, but she's also a great mom and a beautiful BV. So she will not continue on the tour. We truly miss you, Madhuri. You were absolutely unforgettable.
Idea Unforgettable Tour की एक खास मेहमान माधुरी दीक्षित, the gorgeous and the most gracious dancer in the Indian film industry. माधुरी शो का हिस्सा बनी लॉस एंजलिस में.
How are you doing? Good. How are you? Good.
My pleasure. How are you? My pleasure. They're coming Saturday, actually.
Spoken like a doctor, feeling better.
एलए के अलावा माधुरी ने सैन फ्रांसिस्को, ह्यूस्टन, अटलांटिक सिटी, शिकागो और न्यूयॉर्क में अपने सारे हिट नंबर्स पर परफॉर्म किया.
प्यार जिंदगी प्यार है खुशी प्यार जिसने पाया है वही दिल फूल जैसा तेरा.
The most unforgettable song डोला रे में एक बार फिर ऐश्वर्या राय बच्चन और माधुरी दीक्षित ने ऑडियंसेस और स्टार कास्ट दोनों का मन मोह लिया.
My message to Madhuri Dixit is thank you so much for everything you've done for Indian cinema.
Hey, डोला रे.
Dola Re Dola is spectacular to look at. To see Madhuri ji and Ash dance together is fantastic. It's produced beautifully, and I really think for the audience it's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to see them perform together.
माधुरी दीक्षित के लिए कुछ भी कहा जाए वो कम है. ना सिर्फ एक अच्छी सुपरस्टार बल्कि एक अच्छी बीवी और माँ भी हैं. इस कारणवश she decided to go back home after the show in New York.
I have my own 2 home productions. Like I say, I have a 3-year-old and a 5-year-old at home, and they keep me really busy. Film production is not that hard, but raising 2 kids is. So I'm going to take my time and see how it works. And my priorities are in the right place right now. My family comes first.
I have a very good support system. I have my mother-in-law, my own mom, all the family rallies around me, and they help me out. Otherwise, it would not have been possible without them, without the support of my husband, and it would have been difficult. And so I'm thankful and I think I'm very blessed that I have them with me.
Madhuri Dixit ka kya kehna? We will truly miss you, Madhuri ji. But tomorrow is show day, and we will give you minute by minute account of all the happenings, all the backstage frenzy, all the excitement of.
नमस्कार, आईजे द अनफॉरगेटेबल टूर डायरीज में आपका स्वागत है। मैं हूँ आपकी होस्ट शनाज, एंड टुडे इज शो डे इन न्यूयॉर्क। यस, इट इज डे 26. एवरीवन इज रियली एक्साइटेड अबाउट द शो. द फैंस आर एक्साइटेड, द स्टार्स आर एक्साइटेड, प्रेपरेशंस आर गोइंग ऑन इन अ ह्यूज स्केल. दोनों एक्टर्स और स्टार्स में इतना जोश है. यू वांट टू सी? हियर, टेक अ लुक.
The most graceful, beautiful woman that Indian cinema has ever seen.
Thank you so much.
So this is your last show. How do you feel about it?
Oh, it's great. It's been a wonderful journey. It's almost as if, it became a family, and now this is the last show in the US, and but the whole journey has been so beautiful that it'll truly be unforgettable.
Do you know, I met a fan of yours, okay? He was traveling all the way from the UK. He saw one of the shows in which you weren't there. He bought tickets to another show where you were there. He spent $1,000 or something. He's been following you around, and I met him and he was in tears, and he was like, I just want to meet Madhuri Dixit once, please.
I travelled from the UK thinking that I went to Canada thinking Madhuri would be there, but then I found out she wasn't, so then I paid double to come here. And I got a disciplinary at work and everything for this trip. But it's been worth it. Totally worth it. Yeah. For Madhuri. Just Madhuri.
Just Madhuri. You're trying to follow Madhuri.
Thank you so much. That's very sweet.
So how do you feel? You have all these crazy fans about you, wanting to meet you, and what do you feel?
It's great because, that's what you work for. My entire career, I've always wanted to do a good job, to be better at what I do. And when you realize that, for the people, for your fans, you're part of the family, what else does one want, And it's a beautiful feeling. And I've performed in front of them, and the way they've greeted me and the way they've cheered me, I think I just love them.
Are you missing your family, your kids?
I am. I was with them before I came here. And so what I do is in between when there are breaks, I go and I'm with them, and then I come back, and then I go back. So I've been traveling a lot back and forth.
So you're juggling everything perfectly. That's Madhuri Dixit for you, everybody. She juggles her career and her family perfectly. Yeah. But we want to see you in more films, and we really hope to see you in more films. Can you juggle that as well, please?
Yes, it's not as if I'm averse to doing films, and I never said I'd never do films after marriage.
You must.
Definitely, if something good comes up, I will definitely do it.
Today is very special. Today is our Independence Day. Before we say our prayer, we'll sing the national anthem.
Oh, beautiful.
I request we should do that. That's it. I request Vishal and Shekhar to take the lead and Hollywood drivers.
5, 6, 7.
Okay.
Pick it. Go for it. Go for it.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाए तब जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय